Is green juice beneficial for your health? Green juice has become a popular health trend, with many people turning to it as a way to boost their intake of vitamins and minerals. According to recent statistics, the global green juice market is growing rapidly, with sales expected to reach over $8 billion by 2025. Many people drink green juice daily, believing it to be a quick and easy way to improve their health. But is green juice really beneficial for your health? Let's find out. What is green juice? Green juice is made by blending or juicing green vegetables and sometimes fruits. Common ingredients include spinach, kale, cucumber, celery, and green apples. Some recipes also add herbs like parsley or mint, and even superfoods like spirulina or wheatgrass. The result is a vibrant green drink rich in nutrients. The green juice health benefits. Nutrient-rich. One of the biggest benefits of green juice is its high nutrient content. Green vegetables are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and various B vitamins. They also contain minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health, supporting the immune system, and promoting healthy skin, bones, and eyes. 2. Antioxidants. Green juice is loaded with antioxidants, which help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. The antioxidants in green juice, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Hydration. Drinking green juice is an excellent way to stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for many bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Green juice, made mostly of water-rich vegetables, helps keep the body hydrated, especially when consumed regularly. 4. Digestion and detoxification. Green juice can aid digestion and support the body's natural detoxification processes. The high fiber content in the vegetables helps promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Some green juice ingredients, like celery and cucumber, also have diuretic properties, which can help the body flush out toxins and reduce bloating. 5. Energy boost. Many people find that drinking green juice gives them a natural energy boost. The vitamins and minerals in green juice help support the body's energy production processes. Additionally, green juice provides a quick source of hydration and nutrients, which can help improve mental clarity and physical stamina. 6. Weight management. Green juice can be a helpful addition to a weight management plan. It is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a great option for those looking to reduce their calorie intake while still getting essential vitamins and minerals. Drinking green juice before meals can also help reduce appetite, making it easier to eat smaller portions. 7. Immune support. The high vitamin and antioxidant content in green juice supports the immune system. Vitamins A and C, in particular, play crucial roles in maintaining a healthy immune response. Regular consumption of green juice can help the body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Green juice potential downsides. While green juice has many benefits, there are also some potential downsides to consider. Green juice can be high in sugar if fruits are added in large quantities. It's important to use more vegetables than fruits to keep the sugar content low. Additionally, juicing removes most of the fiber from the vegetables, which is an important part of a healthy diet. To get the full benefits, it's a good idea to include whole fruits and vegetables in your diet alongside green juice. In summary, green juice can be very beneficial for your health. It is a source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep you hydrated, support digestion and detoxification, boost energy, aid in weight management, and support the immune system. However, it's important to be mindful of the sugar content and to include plenty of whole fruits and vegetables in your diet. By making green juice a part of a balanced diet, you can enjoy its many health benefits. If you found this content enjoyable and useful, Please subscribe to the channel for updates on related topics.